Good morning students, welcome my channel Bhuloks Mathematics. Last class I have already discussed about some MCQ, multiple choice question, which is very important for chse examination as well as cbse board examinations. Let us come and start some new MCQ which is very useful for the forthcoming board examinations. Let us start one example. Question number 6. For what value of x cut inverse x plus sin inverse 1 by root 5 is equal to pi by 4? For what value of x cut inverse x plus sin inverse 1 by root 5 is equal to pi by 4? Answer is 2, minus 2, 3 and minus 3. How can you solve it? Write down. Cut inverse x plus sin inverse 1 by root 5 is equal to pi by 4. We know cut inverse x is equal to tan inverse 1 by x. Cut inverse x, tan inverse 1 by x. Here, how to convert sin inverse 1 by root 5 to tan inverse? So, you have to make one triangle. Sin theta of p by h, p is 1, h is root 5. Then b can be found out 5 minus 1 root over, that is 4 root over 2. Then our aim is to convert sin inverse 1 by root 5 to tan. So that can be written as tan inverse p by b, 1 by 2. That is equal to pi by 4. Okay, there is one formula, tan inverse x plus tan inverse y. Formula is tan inverse x plus y means 1 by x plus 1 by 2 divided by 1 minus 1 by x into 1 by 2 is equal to pi by 4. Okay, so tan inverse box is equal to pi by 4. So box value is 1 by x plus 1 by 2 divided by 2x minus 1 by 2x is equal to tan pi by 4. Tan pi by 4. The value of tan pi by 4 is equal to 1. So simplify. We get 2 plus x divided by 2x cancel. So 2x minus 1 is equal to 1. Tan pi by 4 is equal to 1. Cross multiplying, 2 plus x is equal to 2x minus 1. Okay, so this minus 1 will go to this side. X will be go to that side. So the value of x is coming out 3. The value of x is coming out 3. Here the answer is 2 minus 2. Another is 3 minus 3. So the correct answer is 3. The correct answer is 3. Okay. First of all, you have to bring it homogeneous. Either you have to bring it in cut inverse x or sin inverse, whatever may be. This is the technique by means of which all inverse trigonometric functions will be converted to inverse trigonometric functions. Sin inverse 1 by root 5 means here p by h, p is 1, h is root 5. Then by Pythagoras theorem, h square minus p square, 5 minus 1, 2. Our aim is to convert sin inverse 1 by root 5 to tan inverse, that is tan inverse p by b. Here it is 1 by 2. So applying one formula in inverse trigonometric function, tan inverse x plus tan inverse y, tan inverse x plus y by 1 minus xy. Okay, so tan inverse box is equal to this, box is equal to tan pi by 4. So simplification, we get x is equal to 3 by 3. Okay, this is the correct answer of this question. Now let us take another question. Question number 7. For what value fx is equal to 1 minus cos 4x by 8x square. X not equal to 0. K when x is equal to 0. At x is equal to 0. For what value of k the above function is continuous at x is equal to 0. The value is there 5 by 9, 9 by 5, 1 and 1 by 2. What is the correct answer? How can you get? You have to see. A function fx is said to be continuous at x is equal to a if the limit of the function is equal to value of the function. First of all, we have to find out the limit of the function. When the limit of the function is equal to the value of the function, at that time we say that a function fx is said to be continuous. First of all, now we have to find out limit of the function. Write down limit of the function. Limit of the function. Limit x tends to 0. F of x. Limit x tends to 0. F of x. Okay. So that is limit x tends to 0. 1 minus cos 4x divided by 8x square. 8x square. So we know 1 minus cos 2x, that is 2 sin square x. Here it is 2x, then it is x. When it is 2x, then it is x. When it is 4x, then it is 2x. So 1 minus cos 4x, value is limit x tends to 0. Here the value is 2 sin square 2x divided by 8x square. Okay, so 2 is cancelled with 8, that is 4. So 1 by 4 is a constant, that is coming outside. Okay, so limit x tends to 0. Here it is sin 2x divided by x whole square. This can be written as like this. We know one formula, limit x tends to 0, sin x by x is equal to 1. Here it is x, this means x, here it is x. X tends to 0. The value is always equal to 1. Sin x by x, it is x, here it is also x. X tends to 0, the limiting value is 1. But here it is 2x, here it is x. So you have to bring 2 multiplying and 2 dividing. So we get 1 by 4, limit x tends to 0, sin 2x by 2x into 2 whole square. Okay, so this limiting value will be equal to 1. 2x, 2x. So this limiting value is 1. So we get 2 here. So here it is 1 by 4. 2 square, that is 4. So 4 cancelled, is equal to 1. Is equal to 1. Okay? Is equal to 1. This is the limit of the function. We know fx is said to be continuous if the limit of the function is equal to value of the function. Write out as fx is continuous. Write down as fx is continuous at x is equal to 0. So limit x tends to 0, f of x is equal to f of 0. F of 0. Value of the function is k here. So limit of the function is coming out 1. So f of 0 means f of 0 is equal to 1. That means k is equal to 1. C. K is equal to 1. The value of k is equal to 1. So there is answer. Answer is there. What is the answer? Now answer is 5 by 9, 9 by 5, 1 and 1 by 2. So the correct answer is 1. Correct answer is 1. Okay? We know fx is said to be continuous at x is equal to a if limit of the function must be equal to the value of the function. Limit of the function must be equal to the value of the function. So here the result is k is equal to 1. K is equal to 1. Okay? So write down another question. Write down question number 3. If a line makes angle alpha, beta, gamma with the positive direction of x-axis, y-axis and z-axis respectively, then what is the value of 1 plus cos 2 alpha, 1 plus cos 2 beta, 1 plus cos 2 gamma? What is the value? So write down. We know when a line L making an angle alpha, beta, gamma with positive direction of x-axis, y-axis, z-axis respectively, then cosine of the angle is called as the direction cosine. So L square plus M square plus N square is equal to 1. It is one important point. I don't know. Question number 8. L square plus M square plus N square is equal to 1. Sum of square of direction cosine of any line must be equal to 1. That means cos square alpha plus cos square beta plus cos square gamma always equal to 1. Our aim is to find out the value of this. Write down 1 plus cos 2 alpha, 1 plus cos 2 beta, 1 plus cos 2 gamma. Okay? We know 1 plus cos 2 alpha is equal to 2 cos square alpha. 1 plus cos 2 beta, 2 cos square beta. 1 plus cos 2 gamma, 2 cos square gamma. 2 is taking common. 2 is taking common. Cos square alpha plus cos square beta plus cos square gamma. The value is equal to 1. Sum of square of direction cosine of any line must be equal to 1. So it is 1. So 2 into 1 is equal to 2. So the correct answer is here. 2, 3, 4, none. So the correct answer is 2. If question is coming like this, so the answer is 2. Very important for examination so far concerned. Okay. Now let us take another question. Question number 9. If f and g are two continuous functions in closed interval of 0, 1, satisfying fx is equal to this and gx plus g minus g of a minus x is equal to a, then what is the value of 0 to a, integration from 0 to a, fx into gx dx? This is a very important question. How to solve this question? Write down the answer. Write down the answer of this question. Given, write down given. Question number 9. Given fx is equal to f of a minus x. It is given. Gx plus g of a minus x, that is a is given. So what is g of a minus x. G of a minus x is equal to a minus gx. A minus gx. Our aim is to find out the value of integration from 0 to a fx dx. That out integration from 0 to a fx into gx dx. There is one formula in definite integral. 0 to a fx dx is equal to 0 to a f of a minus x dx. This is very important formula in definite integral. Integration from 0 to a fx dx must be equal to integration from 0 to a f of a minus x dx. Whenever you see x, then it is replaced by a minus x. So applying that formula, it is I. Suppose it is I. Applying that formula, whenever you see x, then it is replaced by a minus x. So we get integration from 0 to a f of a minus x g of a minus x dx. So it is given f of a minus x is equal to fx. In place of g of a minus x, we have to put a minus gx applied. So we get integration from 0 to a. Here it is f of x. Here it is a minus gx whole into dx. Multiplying with this. 0 to a fx. Another is fx into gx whole into dx. Okay? Integration of difference is equal to difference of their integration. So here we get integration a is a constant, that is coming outside. 0 to a fx dx. Here it is minus integration from 0 to a fx gx into dx. So this is also I. This is also I. I is repeated. Minus I. When it is coming to this side, that is 2i. That down 2i is equal to a integration from 0 to a fx dx. So I is equal to, I value is equal to a by 2 integration from 0 to a fx dx. So this is the correct answer of this integral. Okay, I is equal to a by 2 integration from 0 to a fx dx. But in our choice, a by 2 0 to fx dx, 0 to fx dx, none. So the correct answer is this. Correct answer is this. Very important question for your entrance examinations and board examinations. Okay, now let us discussing about the last question of today's class, that is related to matrix. That is related to matrix. A is symmetric, B is skew symmetric. Then what about AB minus BA? Given right down. Given A is symmetric, symmetric matrix. Symmetric means A transpose is equal to A. Definition. A transpose is equal to A. Given A is symmetric, that means A transpose is equal to A. B is skew symmetric. B is skew symmetric. So B transpose is equal to minus B. B transpose is equal to minus B. Okay? B transpose is equal to minus B. Our aim is to find out the value of AB minus BA. So let C is equal to AB minus BA. So you have to take the C transpose. AB minus BA whole transpose. Transpose of difference is equal to difference of their transpose. So that is AB to the power T minus BA to the power T. Transpose. We know transpose of product is equal to product of their transpose taken in reverse order. So AB whole transpose, that is B transpose into A transpose. Here it is minus A transpose into B transpose. Given B transpose is equal to minus B, A transpose is equal to A minus. In place of A transpose it is A. B transpose is equal to minus B. So minus minus, that is plus. Here it is AB minus BA. So this is nothing but C. This is nothing but C. So C transpose is equal to C. C transpose is equal to C. So C must be symmetric matrix. C must be symmetric matrix. Symmetric matrix. C must be symmetric matrix. That means AB minus BA is symmetric matrix. That means write down AB minus BA is symmetric matrix. Symmetric matrix. So this is the correct answer. Here in choice, symmetric, skew symmetric, none. So but the answer is symmetric. Understand? When A is symmetric matrix, B is skew symmetric matrix, then AB minus BA is always a symmetric matrix. This is the procedures. How can you get the answers? Thank you to all for watching my videos. Please subscribe my channel, like my channel, share my channels.